This is POCO C50, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can scan a document and make it into a PDF file on this device. So to start, you gotta launch the Google Drive app. That's the app that you should get built into the system, or well, the app that comes with it alongside your system. So you should not need to download any additional third-party tools. If everything that I've earlier said is not true in your particular case, no problem at all. Just download and install this app for free from the Google Play Store. So launch the Drive app, sign into your Google account if you haven't already. In my case, I need to undergo a simple verification, so let me quickly enter my password, or the password to my Google account rather. Then I should probably relaunch the app for it to work correctly. Then over here at the bottom right part of your display, you'll find the plus sign. Tap on it, choose the scan option, grant Drive with the camera access, or give it the camera permission. And then simply take whatever document you wanted to make the scan of. Here is mine. And try to take a decent picture. Then you gotta see the result. If you are satisfied, you can proceed. If not, just retake the photo. At the following menu, you can do such things as crop the image, or frame the part of the original raw photo that you would like to be included into the resulting or final file. Then you can as well rotate your file and change the color scheme that it uses. Then hit that save button, rename the document if you want to, change the Google account or folder drive that this file will be saved to. That's also an option you have. Then hit that save button to your bottom right, wait for the PDF file to get uploaded to Google Drive, and here is the result. Alrighty, so that will be it for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.